Now I'm going to explain circles intermediate max to be children. So we have completed in last session parametric equations concept and one example children. So now we'll see some more example problems. Find the equation of tangent at the point 30 degrees of the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 39 equal to 0 children. So given circle is this one children. Comparing above equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So here 2g is 4 children, 2f is 6, c value is minus 39 children. So send to that side means directly you can write 2 to the 2 3 the and c is equal to minus 39 children. So given theta value is 30 degrees children. So is asking to find equation of tangent. So the parametric equation of tangent is, I already told the formula. What is that? X plus g into cos theta plus y plus f sin theta equal to r children. So we have to find r value first, that is under root g square plus f square minus c. So g value is 2 children, f value is 3, c value is minus 39 from equation 1. 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, minus into minus plus. So 39 plus 9 is 48, 48 plus 4 is 52 children. So r value how much? We got root 52, equation number 3. So substitute equation 1 comma 2 comma 4 in equation 3 children, means in formula. So x plus g value is 2 children, cos theta value is 30 degrees plus y plus f value is 3 children, sin 30 degrees is equal to r value how much we got children? Root 52 whole square. Square root cancel children. So in trigonometry cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 children. Here LCM is 2. So send root 3 inside. X into root 3 is root 3x plus 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3 plus y plus 3 by 2 equal to 52 children. Send to that side. Division will become multiplication. So 52 to the 104 children. So send 104 this side. So root 3x plus y plus 2 root 3 minus 104 equal to 0. So which is required equation of tangent in parametric form. Next children, this is very important 7 marks question. Find the area of triangle formed by tangent at p x1 comma y1 to the circles x square plus y square equal to a square with the coordinate axis where x1 y1 not equal to 0 children. Given circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. Send a square is side plus will become minus children. So this is a circle children, x axis, y axis. So this is a circle. So this circle, if we are joining here end points a and b, touching the circle at one point, so it is nothing but tangent children, tangent p of x1 comma y1. So the equation of tangent at p x1 comma y1 to circle is s1 equal to 0. So xx1 plus yy1 minus a square equal to 0 children. Send minus a square that side, it will become plus a square, it will become plus a square children. So send a square this side children, it will become division. So now write denominator separately children. Xx1 by a square plus yy1 by a square equal to 1 children. Send this x down children, it will become a square by send this x1 down children, it will become x by a square by x1 plus here send y1 down children, y by a square by y1 equal to 1. So required area of triangle is area of triangle AOB. Required area of triangle is area of triangle AOB children. So half into, so in intercept form, what is the area of triangle formula children? Half into modulus x intercept into y intercept. So here what is the x intercept children? A square by x1 into y intercept is a square by y1 children. So a square into a square is a power 4. Bases are the same, add the powers by x1 into y1 children. This is nothing but a power 4 by 2 into modulus x1 y1 square units, which is required condition children, area of triangle. Next, find the equation of normal to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0 at 3 comma 2. Also find the other point where the normal meets the circle is asking children. So this is one of the example problem children. So given circle is this one children, comparing above equation with this one. So here 2g value is minus 4, 2f is minus 6, c value is 11 children. So send to that side means division means 2 to the 2 3 the. So this is the value of g f c. So center c is equal to minus g comma minus f children. Negative will become positive, negative will become positive, means center 2 comma 3. So given point is name as a. What is the given point, children? 3 comma 2. That is a x1 comma y1 is 3 comma 2. So equation of normal at 3 comma 2 to the circle is, this is a formula I have given, children. X minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus d equal to 0. So here x1 value is 3, children. X minus 3. Substitute here. Y1 value is 2 plus f value is how much, children? Minus 3 minus y minus y1 value is 2, children. X1 value is 3 plus g value is minus 2, children. From 2 I wrote. From 1. So x minus 3 I wrote as it is. Plus into minus is minus, children. So here also plus into minus minus. So 2 minus 3 how much, children? Minus 1. 3 minus 2 1, children. So here minus x. Minus multiply here, children. Minus 1 into x is minus x. Minus into minus plus 3. So here minus 1 into y is minus y. Minus into minus plus 2. So what it becomes, children? Minus x minus y. I add the constant, children. 3 plus 2 5. So take minus common, children. X plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So draw the circle, children. So this is a chord. A and B is the chord and this is the center, children. So what he is asking, children? He is asking to find other point where the normal meets. So this is the point A is given, children. This is the center we got. So how can you find this value, children? From figure clearly center is nothing but midpoint of AB or not, children? Midpoint of AB. So that only I have written, children. Let A3 comma 2 C be the center of circle and normal at A meets the circle at B A comma B. So clearly from figure C is midpoint of AB, children. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 plus comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So C center value how much we got, children? 2 comma 3. And here A point is given like this. B point we assumed A comma B. So x1 y1 x2 y2 means x1 plus x2 means 3 plus A by 2. y1 plus y2 means 2 plus b by 2. So equate first coordinate, second coordinate. So after that we are getting like this. This I have equated like this. First x-axis, y-axis. So send to the children, division will come, multiplication means 2 to the 4. Here 2 to 3 the 6. Send 3 the side, plus will come minus. Here also plus will come minus. So a equal to 1, b equal to 4. Why? Because 6 minus 2 4. Therefore b equal to 1 comma 4. Hence normal 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 means it is given, no, children. First point 3 comma 2 means the circle at which point? 1 comma 4. Is it clear, children? It is one of the example in your textbook. Next, find the area of triangle formed by normal at 3 comma minus 4 to the circle x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 equal to 0 with coordinate axis. This is very important problem, children. So given equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 equal to 0, children. So comparing above equation with this one, so you will get 2g value is minus 22, 2f value is minus 4, c value is 25. Send 2 that side means directly cancel, means 2 11s are 2 2s are 2 2s are means g value minus 11 minus f value minus 2, c value 25. Given point is 3 comma minus 4, that is x1 comma y1. So equation of normal is, this is the formula, children. So substitute x1 value how much, children? 3. y1 value is minus 4 plus f value is minus 2, children. Minus y1 value is minus 4 into x1 value is how much, children? 3 plus g value is minus 11 equal to 0, children. So minus 4 plus into minus is minus. Here minus into minus plus into minus minus, children. So minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6, children. 3 minus 11 is minus 8. So multiply minus 6 inside, children. Minus 6 into x minus 6x minus into minus plus 6 3 is 18. Send here minus into minus is plus, children. 8y plus 8 4 the 32 is equal to 0. So minus 6x plus 8y, write the constants. 18 plus 32. 18 plus 32 is 50, children. So in overall we can take minus 2 common. So 3x, here 2 4 the minus 4y minus 2 to the 4 to 5 the 10 means minus 25. Send minus 2 that side, children. It will come 0 by minus 2, nothing but 0. So this is equation number 2, children. So So equation number 2, send this minus 25 that side children, it will become plus 25. Send 25 this side children, it will become division. Now write denominator separately. 3x by 25 minus 4y by 25 equal to 1. So send 3 down children, it will become 25 by 3. Here send 4 down, 25 by 4. So this can be written as x by 25 by 3. Write this plus here, y by minus 25 by 4 children, y equals plus into minus minus, same condition coming. So the straight line equation 2 cuts. So equation 2 means this one cuts the x-axis at 25 by 3 comma 0 and y-axis at 0 comma minus 25 by 4. Is it clear children? X-axis means 25 by 3 comma 0 and y-axis 0 comma minus 25 by 4. So the required area is in an intercept form, half into x-intercept into y-intercept. So half into x-intercept is 25 by 3, y-intercept is minus 25 by 4. So 25 into minus 25, minus 625, 3 4 the 12. So here modulus of minus is plus. So 625 I wrote numerator as it is, denominator 2 into 12 almost 24. 625 by 24 square units, which is the required equation, required area children. Next, show that the line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 is normal to the circle S is equal to 0 if and only if GL plus MF equal to n. So given line is this children is a normal to the circle. So if and only if it's center. So what is the center for this one children? Direct formula minus g comma minus f lies on line. So write L as it is children, in place of x how much we can take minus g, plus write m as it is children, in place of y we can write minus f, plus n write as it is. So after that if you are sending these two values, that side it will become plus Lg plus mf equal to n. So which is the required equation we got children. So this is important, very short answer, 2 marks question. Next exercise 1c children, first bit, find the equation of tangent at P of circle S equal to 0 where P and S are given by. So this is a point P children, 7 comma minus 5 and circle equation. So given equation of circle is this one children, comparing with this circle equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus equal to 0. Here 2g value is how much children? Minus 6, 2f is 4, c is minus 12, send to that side. So multiplication will come division, 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 2. So given point is this one children, p of x1 comma y1 equal to 7 comma minus 5 is asking to find equation of tangent. So the equation of tangent at P with respect to circle is s1 equal to 0, that is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. So here x1 value is 7 children, plus y into y1 value is minus 5, plus g value is minus 3 children, plus x plus 7 plus f value is how much children? 2 to y plus y1 value is how much children? Minus 5, plus c value is minus 12 children. So x into 7 is 7x, plus into minus minus 5y, minus into plus is minus 3x, minus into plus is minus 3 7 the 21, plus here y plus into minus is minus, here plus into minus is minus children. Next send 2 inside children, 2y minus 10. So that only I have written children. Now after that write x terms separately, 7x minus 3x, y terms, open the brackets, keep plus symbol and open the brackets, minus 5y plus 2y. Next constants, minus 21 minus 10 minus 12. 7 minus 3 is 4 children, minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3 children. Next minus 21 minus 10 is minus 31, minus 31 minus 12 is minus 43. So plus into minus minus. So which is required equation of tangent children. So similarly you can do second one like this, same process children, same process after doing you are getting like this children. Next in this third one, same process children, like this if you do you will get the solutions. So in the third one if you do carefully, same process what I explained in first problem, same you are getting answer children. In that fourth one also children, same process, equation of tangent, same process children. So this is about first one children. Next second one, find equation of normal at P of the circle S is equal to 0 where P and yes are given by p is 3 comma 4 minus 4 children. Yes, so given circle equation is children, comparing with we will get like this. 2g is equals to nothing is there means 1, 2f is 1, c equal to minus 24. So into that side multiplication we can division, here also division. Given point is p of x1 comma y1 3 comma minus 4. So is asking to find the equation of normal children. So I already told formula this one. So here x1 y1 value is this, g and f values are this one. So these models already we did children. So like this you will get if you substitute the values. So you can substitute the values and simplify like this children easily. In the second one also you can do like this same process. So after doing you will get like this. In this third one also children same process. So this one also same process children. Next in this fourth one also same process. You should compare first, you will get GFC values. After the given point is asking to find equation of normal. So normal formula you should take and you should do the sum. So which is required equation of the normal children. So in next session I will explain second bit children. It is very important.